I just received a bolo 20 minutes down over at the ag station. You've got a stolen vehicle going westbound I-8 from the ag station.
Do we have a make and model?
It's a Dodge. I believe it's white in color. And,
I'll head to Gordon's there, but 20 minutes down, probably past my...
it may be a custom license plate.
Is it a sedan or SUV?
So Dodge Caravan.
Hey, what's the on this?
It was last seen westbound I-8 at the ag station, but that was 20 mics ago. Westbound I-8, leaving the ag station.
I'll shoot up from, I'll probably have the best chance there.
Yeah, that's copy. I'll let you know if I see anything, but it's probably west of Gordon's by now.
At approximately 11:29 a.m., a U.S. Border Patrol agent in a Border Patrol marked vehicle encountered a vehicle matching the description at the intersection of Interstate 8 and State Route 7 near Calexico, California. The agent followed the vehicle, provided the license plate to El Centro Sector radio communications, and received a confirmation that it was the stolen vehicle from the earlier broadcast. At approximately 11:33 a.m., the agent activated his emergency equipment and performed a vehicle stop on the southbound shoulder of State Route 7, approximately 3/4 of a mile south of Heber Road. Once the vehicle stopped, the agent reportedly observed the rear driver's side sliding door open, and the agent directed the driver to stay inside the vehicle and close the door. The driver then opened the driver's side door and exited the vehicle. The agent saw what appeared to be a firearm in the driver's right hand and ordered him to drop it. A second agent arrived at the scene of the traffic stop, and the driver re-entered his vehicle and drove away southbound on State Route 7.
Was that the plate for the stolen Dodge? I'm right behind it. I'm going south on the 7. I won't light it up till I get
10-4,
closer
that's copy.
to the border there, so I can have another unit come up.
Yeah, 10-4, that's a good copy. That is the plate, sir.
All right, copy. I'm going south on the 7 right now. Someone start making their way north.
Any agents copy?
Catching up lawns right now.
Last unit behind that plate. You your star? 10-4.
Hey, what was it? I'm on the 7, just north of Heber Road.
Hey, everyone, can you alert the port just in case? The East POE? 10-4.
Hey,
And the Highway 7.
I copy here by Highway 7.
Evan, it's coming north, right?
You head north. I'm headed south. Just north of Heber Road. Headed south. Just north of Heber Road. All right, continuing south. Just past Heber Road. I'm gonna go ahead and attempt.
10-4.
Vehicle not pulling over. Just threw out a baggie outside the window. Looks like it's pulling up the side of the road right now. Stand by.
10-4, and then when you get good eyes, just verify if that last 2 digits.
Yeah, firm. It's gonna be
10-4.
vehicle yielded.
10-4, good copy. What's your...
Show me that vehicle on Highway 7, about 50 yards south of Heber Road.
Your star? 10-4.
That vehicle taking off.
The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident. The initial part of this video was recorded during the 2-minute buffer period and does not have audio.
Stay in the vehicle, sir. Stay in the car. Stay in the car. What's in your hand? Put it on the ground. Throw it on the ground. Put the fucking gun. Put it away, sir. Hey. That vehicle taken off. Hey. Hey, just for info, he had a small, what appeared to be a handgun. Small handgun.
The second agent took the primary position in the pursuit and, at 11:35 a.m., broadcasted via radio a request for another agent to position himself so that he could deploy a vehicle immobilization device, VID. A supervisory Border Patrol agent answered the agent's broadcast and stated he could deploy a VID on State Route 98. The Dodge Caravan continued southbound on State Route 7 and turned westbound onto State Route 98. The supervisor positioned himself approximately 3.9 miles west of State Route 7, near the intersection of State Route 98 and Adderholt Road, and prepared to deploy the VID. At approximately 11:38 a.m., as the Dodge Caravan passed his location, the supervisor successfully deployed the VID and has subsequently deflated the two front tires. The agents continued to pursue the Dodge Caravan westbound on State Route 98. The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident. The initial part of this video was recorded during the 2-minute buffer period and does not have audio.
Like 20 miles per hour. Is anybody there with 5 feet or west of it or not yet? Okay, I parked here in the station center. I parked in the station center. It's going westbound, 50 miles per hour. Yeah, red car, and then it's going to be behind me. It's going to be a white Caravan. Oh, passenger red car. On the road, that's going to be the only vehicle, You're going westbound.
10-4 continuous.
Okay, we got 2 front tires in the front one. 2 front tires.
At approximately 11:39 a.m., after traveling approximately 0.8 miles from the location of the VID deployment, the Dodge Caravan left the roadway, traveled across an open area on the side of the road, and drove into an irrigation ditch. The Dodge Caravan landed upside down with the windshield facing down on the opposite side of the irrigation canal and against the bank of the canal. Agents requested local emergency services via radio and approached the Dodge Caravan and shouted commands but received no response from the driver. Agents attempted to open the driver's side door to remove the driver but were unsuccessful. Agents then broke out the vehicle's windows and observed the driver unconscious and pinned inside the vehicle between the dash and the floorboard. Because the agents could not get into the vehicle, they were unable to provide medical aid. The following body-worn camera video was captured by one of the agents involved in this incident. This video contains graphic content and strong language. Viewer discretion is advised.
Okay, we're passing the detention center. Passing the detention center. Going westbound. 50 miles per hour. And there's going to be a red car, and then behind it, it's going to be a white caravan. We're passing the red car. We're approaching Underhill. That's going to be the only vehicle coming up. Approaching Underhill, that's going to be the only vehicle going westbound. Go to the spikes.
Before we go.
Continue, keep going westbound. Okay, we have two flat tires, the front ones, two front tires.
Can you like text me, this thing keeps on coming, it's coming their way, it's westbound 98. So, he's off-road.
MT, vehicle accident.
Hey, looks like he took a dump in a drain. Could you have him in this standby?
Yeah. I don't see the driver.
I couldn't tell if it was a lighter or an actual gun, but it looked like a gun. Can you see him? Gun. Can you see him? I can't see him at all.
Hey,
Put your hands up! Border Patrol!
okay, I'm gonna go down and get the window. Alright? Let's watch it. Yeah. Are you okay? Sir, you're next to Border Patrol. No.
Can't see him.
It's from here. That's there.
That's him?
Yeah, that's the legs.
Oh, he's crushed, dude.
Yeah.
Hey, have him call fire! He's crushed.
Hey, can you move? Can you respond? No, I don't want to touch.
Hey, can you go get my spikes at Anderholt?
You have a knife? I don't know.
I have a knife, yeah. Unresponsive.
I think he's gonna be the only one.
Yeah, he's not moving.
No, he's not moving.
If you can get...
How many are on there?
I can just see only one. Just one.
Just one?
Yeah.
One?
Cause I can grab the legs and put them out right now, right?
Is it?
Yeah, it's all bent.
Huh?
It's bent.
Not responsive, right? He's out?
Yeah, he's out.
At approximately 11:56 a.m., Imperial County Fire and an American Medical Response ambulance arrived on scene. A short time later, the driver was pronounced deceased. At approximately 1:14 p.m., the Imperial County Medical Examiner arrived on scene and assumed custody of the driver's body. At the scene of the collision, an agent involved in the pursuit reported to a supervisor and other agents that while following the white Dodge Caravan, the agent saw the driver throw what appeared to be a baggie out of the window near the intersection of Heber Road and State Route 7. Agents seized a handgun from the scene of the collision, and a baggie containing suspected narcotics was discovered near the intersection of Heber Road and State Route 7. On March 18, 2024, the San Diego County Medical Examiner conducted an autopsy of the deceased individual. California Highway Patrol and the Medical Examiner are currently investigating this incident, and the CBP Office of Professional Responsibility is reviewing the incident.